Hello YouTube and welcome to Magic in the Kitchen with Chef Merlin. Tonight we're going to be making Merlin shrimp stir fry. And this is a recipe that I've come up with completely from scratch using some unique ingredients that I don't think I've ever heard of anybody using before in a stir fry. First of all, we're just going to be using some shrimp that's been deveined and shelled, and we're going to be using just a regular, tonight we're just going to be using a regular bag of stir-fry vegetables because I was really focusing on the sauce and stuff tonight. I don't know quite yet what vegetables I want to be in this specifically. So we're just going to use some regular stir-fry vegetables. I've got a mixture here of soy sauce, a quarter cup of soy sauce, and half cup of duck sauce. Thought that was interesting to try in a stir-fry. And here's the secret ingredient. Some sushi ginger. I've never heard of somebody using sushi ginger in a stir fry before, so this is going to be quite unique, and this is what's going to give it that extra special flavor. So let's go ahead and get our wok heated. Okay, I'm going to be using a canola oil that's infused with roasted garlic. You can use just regular canola oil or olive oil or some peanut oil, whatever you prefer to use in your stir fries. A couple tablespoons of that. Just enough to kind of line the bottom a little bit. Now that that's starting to smoke on me, we know that our pan is heated up. Throw our shrimp in there, turn our fan on. Have this set to about a medium-high heat. And just keep this stuff stirring around. This is 1 pound of shrimp. And it will not take long for the shrimp to cook. Once they start turning pink, that's when you're going to add your vegetables. And I suggest some sort of stir-fry vegetables that have some sort of red pepper and broccoli in it. And then just whatever other ingredients that stir-fry vegetables you want in it. And we're just going to stir this around for a couple minutes until our vegetables start to get cooked through. The shrimp was only on for about a minute before it started getting cooked. Maybe 2 minutes. It does not take shrimp long to cook. Okay, now that this has started to cook up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add our sushi ginger next. Get that stirred up in there. I'm using about a quarter cup of sushi ginger. I may find later that more sushi ginger is necessary. But since sushi ginger is really strong, I wanted to start out with a small amount to see exactly how it works in the stir fry. And if we need more, next time I'll do more. The next thing we add is our soy sauce and duck sauce mixture. Again, that's a quarter cup soy, half cup duck sauce. Stir that all up. Now I'm actually going to add a tiny little bit of cornstarch because this is a little thicker than I thought it was going to be. smells delicious.
Here's the finished product of the Merlin's shrimp stir fry. I served it with some ramen noodles that I cooked and stirred on in there. You can certainly serve it over some rice or make up some regular noodles and put those in it. And this is it. This has been an experiment. It's got some shrimp and some regular stir-fry vegetables in it, and then of course I added for the special ingredients the soy sauce duck sauce mixture and the sushi ginger. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and stay tuned for more videos.